Suot ang kanilang swimwear. Isa-isang rumampa ang official candidates ng 2009 Binibining Pilipinas sa press presentation na ginanap kanina. Beauty at poise ang ipinamalas ng bawat kandidata.
My name is Stephanie Rose Basuba Señeres, 22 years old, from the Queen City of the South, Cebu City.
Marami sa kanila first time lang sumali sa isang beauty pageant. Gaya na lang ni Regina Han, na nais raw sundan ang yapak ng inang si Chiqui Brosas na dati ring beauty queen.
I'm actually really excited. I didn't really think about it before joining, but now that I'm here, I'm giving my all. And, you know, I'm not the only one excited. My mom and I are excited together.
Mas na-nervous ako ngayon kesa the time when I joined. So I don't know why that is. I try to be calm, pero siguro if you're the mother, parang you can't help to be emotional.
Second time naman sumali ni Jaisal Arozal.
I joined last year, 2008, and I was only top 10 finalist, and I want to try again this year, and hopefully I will win.
Pangalawang beses na rin ang girlfriend ni Paolo Bediones na si Abigail Cruz. Mas inspirado raw siya ngayon, lalo na't si Paolo ang mag-host ng Coronation Night.
Pinag-pray ko, nag-fast pa ako dito. So sabi ko, Lord, this is it. Win or lose, I just try to keep a positive attitude with everything, and I give my 110%.
Dream come true naman para sa ilan ang makasali sa Binibining Pilipinas. Tulad na lang ng kapuso star na si Rich Asuncion, na ang tunay na pangalan ay Richelle Angalot.
What I'm doing right now is just try to be the best that I can in everything na activities namin. And I'll just have no doubts of myself and just believe in myself that I can do it.
This is my dream. Ever since I was a little girl, I want to be a beauty queen.
Aubrey Carampel, updated sa Showbiz Happening.